Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. I am an investment banker. I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking. Okay. So today I'm making this short video for all of those who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking. So this video will also be relevant for those who are looking to switch their profiles into investment banking and are currently working in the other fields of finance. Okay. So in this short video, I'm going to talk about what are the skill set which is required to become an investment banker. Then what are the prerequisites for any investment banking job. Okay, so then I will take you through the entire interview process, like what are the stages which is involved in the interview process. And finally, I'm going to review a investment banking course based on certain parameters. Okay, so now I'm quickly jumping on the point number one, where I'm going to talk about what are the skill set which is required to become an investment banker. So first thing is basically about your conceptual knowledge. You should have a good understanding of basics of finance. You should understand the financial system and financial market. Then the second point is basically about your understanding of the financial statement. You should be able to understand the three financial statement of a company, like the profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, and how these statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay, so then you should know about like how to work on different kind of financial models, like the DCF, LBO, and the merger and an acquisition model. Okay, so then the next point is basically about your understanding of the marketing collaterals. So when you work on any investment banking deal, so you have to prepare some marketing collateral or the marketing materials. Okay, so these are like the pitch deck, CIM, teaser, or the management presentation. So you should have a good understanding of all these documents and what is the purpose of preparing each of these documents. Okay, so then coming to the next point, which is basically about your Excel proficiency. You should be very well versed with like how to work on Excel. Okay, so you should know how to work on VLOOKUP, index match, pivot table, data tools, and macros. Okay, so then coming to the presentation skills. So when you will be working on any particular deal, okay, so you'll have to basically present your findings to like a different kind of counterparties. Either it will be to your senior investment banking team or to your client, or maybe to the investors or the other counterparties. Okay, so your presentation skills are also be important. Okay, so then coming to the communication skills. So communication skills is also very much important because you'll have to deal with like different kind of counterparties on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so these are the skill set which is required to become an investment banker. So now I'm coming to like what are the prerequisites for any investment banking job. So what are the things that they basically look into you before they basically proceed with the interview process. Okay, so the first thing is basically about your academic background, like what kind of college or the university that you're coming from, then how much you have scored in your post graduation or the recently completed post graduation. Okay, so then coming to the next thing, basically about, do you have the desired skill set for this particular investment banking job opportunity, like basics to advanced Excel skills, presentation skills, financial analysis skills, and the problem solving skills. So in case you meet both of these parameters, so then you'll be selected for any interview process. Okay, so let's assume that like you have basically met both of these parameters and you have been shortlisted for the interview process. So for the interview process, primarily there are three stages. The first stage is basically about your case study. You'll have to work on, so they basically can ask you to work on industry overview, financial analysis, or maybe on Excel test. Okay, so in case you clear your case study, so then you'll be moving toward the technicals round, wherein they can ask you a few questions about the basics of finance, like the accounting or ratio related questions can be asked. Then they can ask you specific questions to the like the investment banking, like what is WACC, what is beta, what is DCF, terminal value, EBITDA, LTM, enterprise value, and the equity value. Okay, so let's assume you have cleared the case study round and the technical round. So then you'll be moving towards the final round of the HR. Okay, so wherein they will basically check your attitude and your behavioral aspects, and they will also be checking your soft skills, such as like how you communicate with the HR and how much confident you are. Okay, so in case you clear all of these three rounds, then you'll be selected for any investment banking opportunity. Okay, this is the entire interview process that I've just taken you through. So now I'm going to review a investment banking course based on certain parameters. Okay, I'm going to review an investment banking course by EduBridge. So the course name is Certification Program in Investment Banking Operations. So if I look into the course details, so the duration of this course is going to be 375 hours. So total fee that you'll be paying for this course will be 45,000. So mode of learning will be online, and you'll be getting certificate of completion portal the completion of this course. So these are the additional career highlights, like digital certificate of completion, zero cost EMI facility available. So you'll also be provided with the placement assistant with EduBridge job portal. Okay, so what are the course deliverables? Like this course basically enables you to evaluate the concept of the Indian financial system, stock market, derivative types of derivative products, derivative application, make you aware of types of participants in the investment banking, understanding the price of equity, types of bonds, bond price sensitivity measures, and bond versus equity investment. So this course help you to analyze in-depth knowledge of the financial modeling concepts like portfolio theory, time value of money, and capital asset pricing model. also give you a better understanding of the concept of investment banking, including merchant banking, over-the-counter products versus exchange-traded products, know your customer, anti-money laundering, and due diligence. So this will also help you to understand the roles and responsibility of an investment banker. Okay. The curriculum of this course is going to be financial planning, value investing, fixed income security, money market, trade life cycle, financial modeling. Okay. So any graduate or postgraduate can take up this course. So any working professional with 0 to 3 years work experience and age 18 and above, and you should have a good communication in English to take up this course. Okay, so these are the features and the highlight of this course. So based on the features that we have looked into this course, so now I'm going to rate this course based on certain parameters. So if we talk about the course depth, so this is going to be good course, excellent PPT skills that you'll be learning. Live sessions will be there. Okay, live out session they have not talked about. Internship support, so they have not talked about. Placement support that will be getting. Course fee will be good. Course fee will go duration will be good. Money back guarantee you are not going to get in this. So the LMS access that you will be getting in this. So based on these parameters, so this course is scored 7 out of 10. In case you are really serious about basically building your career in the field of investment banking, I can suggest a better investment banking course, which basically comes with a complete package, which covers all the aspects that you expect from any good investment banking course. Okay. So I'm going to share the link of that course in the description section. Please check that out in case you have any query or in case you want to learn more about it. So feel free to put your query in the comment section. I will revert to you as soon as possible. I hope you will like this video, and thanks for watching.